Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone so app-level restrictions will work reliably. Once screen time is enabled, create a screen time passcode. This becomes the password gate for apps. Make sure you have recent iOS and a backup before changing settings. Now tap App Limits to start protecting specific apps. You're choosing the protection mechanism rather than a per-app native password, because iOS uses screen time limits to lock apps. Proceed to add the apps you want to protect. Now you configure exact limits that will act as passwords for each app. Select an app or category, set a tiny daily limit such as 1 minute, and enable block at end of limit so the screen time passcode is required afterwards. Once done, use always allowed to exclude apps you never want blocked, like phone. Make sure the app list is precise. You can pick single apps. When the limit expires, the app prompts for the screen time passcode to reopen it. Finish by testing each protected app. Open it, wait 1 minute, then confirm the screen time passcode is required to continue. If you need a short-term single app lock, use guided access, triple-click the side or home button and set a guided access passcode. Make sure to make changes under screen time when you are in control. If things go wrong and you forget the screen time passcode, use the Apple ID recovery flow or, as a last resort, erase and restore the device from backup to reset the passcode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.